What's up, guys? This is Nate with Mud Digger Off-Road, and we are going to be bringing to you this mini series here. We're doing a full frame swap on a Jeep TJ. So we just got the frame in from Throttle Down Kustoms out of Montana. So this is a full mandrel belt or mandrel bent custom frame with the skid plate and the subframe drop. So there's a little windy out here, got boxes blowing all the way around. So this Jeep came to us a few months ago with some significant frame damage due to just rust. I think it's a 2001. So the customer ultimately was extremely sentimentally attached to this Jeep and wanted to have it done and have it done right. So instead of going with the junkyard frame or any other options, they decided to go with a full mandrel bent frame. And thankfully TDK was able to kind of get it put together and make it happen for us. So this thing's got some significant rust damage in several spots, specifically at the control arm mounts. So we're gonna be hoping this thing starts real quick here and get it pulled in and start tearing the body down so we can get so we can start getting everything swapped over. Cool, sit tight. All right, and need the key. And we got nothing. All right, bring it like right here. So back up and come in at an angle. Where the hell are my cables at? I think my cables are in the big trailer. You want to go grab them?
Yeah.
Nice. Sick. All right, take these cables and then this charger and extension cord and put the cables back in my truck bed toolbox.
Yeah.
And then put the rest of this stuff away. And then you can take that and wash it. Got it?
Got it.
Go. Oh, it's spiders. Oh. kick the rear arms in. Yeah, this battery is absolutely roached. You wanna fucking
I think it needs to back up.
Okay. What's up? I think that's neutral.
How's that look?
That should work for me.
Is it good in the rear?
Yeah. Yeah. Just going to the frame on this one. I'm gonna come up a little bit.
You're just for the name.